Hey guy, in this video, we want to show you how to turn my iPhone XR to iPhone 15 Pro. And this DIY housing, and we got it from Fanscreate. The Fanscreate also provide you all the smartphone accessory and spare part like DIY housing, LCD, battery, and repair tools. So if you want to order, please check the link in description. Okay, so look at this. Oh my god, that's so cool, amazing DIY housing. We go the SIM tray and connector from battery to silent button. Here we let's to check some part like the frame and back camera that is so fit for the silent button volume button. That's so cool. Great. Okay, so let's me check in the package, and we got the DIY connector all in one, like the flashlight, power button, silent button, and volume up and down. And this the curved screen disassembler that is so easy to remove the screen and separating the back glass. Okay, and this is protective screen. We got it too, and adhesive waterproof protector, battery adhesive. What is that in the package? Yes, let me show you. That is DIY LCD screen iPhone XR, like iPhone 15 Pro series. Look at this. This LCD screen is not original. It is low quality. If compare with original screen, the quality is 50% of the original. But don't worry, this LCD making for fan who want to customize the iPhone, yes. Okay, let's me try to show you between the housing and screen. How many percent like original iPhone 15 Pro? Please comment on the below. Look at this. For the LCD screen press on frame. That's so cool. And for the frame is like titanium. Actually, it is aluminum material that's so smooth and I love it. Okay, I can't wait. We will turn my iPhone XR into brand new iPhone 15 Pro. This is my iPhone XR. It is broke the screen and back glass, so we will upgrade this iPhone to iPhone 15 series. Let's get started. Okay, well done, we finished to installed and check it with me. That is, looks so cool. Alright, for the flashlight is working and silent button as well. Look at this, that's so cool. Oh, wow, crazy. Look at this, that crazy. It's like iPhone 15 Pro 90%. If you look behind the iPhone, you feel like iPhone 15 series. But if you see the screen, you will break your leg. Oh my god, iPhone Xer, kill me now. Thanks for watching in this video.